Hello everyone, Miss Smith here again. This how-to video is going to walk you through how to sign up for each of our Google Classrooms, which is our first major step in getting started with our virtual learning. The first thing that I did was brought up my browser, and you can see since I've set it to my home page that it automatically brings up our classroom website. So if I scroll down, I see my beginning information. The first thing I'll need to do is click on the Google Classroom Codes link. When I click on it, it will bring up a series of codes. The codes are in green highlights. On the left-hand side, we have each classroom name. So the first thing I'm going to do is copy the classroom code for Miss Sizzling second graders. This is actually going to be a brag page where I post some pictures and hopefully some work. So I'm going to copy that. Once I've copied it, I can switch back to my classroom website page, and I'm going to scroll down until I find the class. Here it is with the black blob, Miss Sizzling second graders. So I'm going to actually click on that. So once you have clicked on that link, it will bring up a screen that looks slightly different than this one. This is actually my husband's account. I'm using him as a guinea pig. Your screen will likely pop up a box in the middle that says something like, "You're not in this class," "To be added, talk to the teacher." If you will simply click on the blue button that says "Back to Classes," it will take you back to your student's personal Google Classroom page, and it will have this at the top which says Google Classroom. Once you've done that, then you're ready to actually join our classes. So you can click on the little plus button and you can click Join Class. And then once you've done that, you can paste the classroom code that we copied earlier, and you can click Join. And it will take just a second. And then once you've done that, you can see that it automatically allowed my husband to join our class. And so if we go back, this little waffle button right here, or the three horizontal lines, if you'll click on that and click on Classes, it will show now that this is a class in his classroom. And in addition to this class, you'll have to sign up for each of the other classes, but you won't have to go through the same extensive process. All you'll have to do now is go back to your classroom codes, and then for the next class we have announcement page. You will simply copy that code, and then once you've copied that code, you can click on the plus sign again, join class, paste it into, then join, and once again you're into this class. And then when I go back to the classes homepage, you now have announcement page and the Sizzling second grade page showing up. So these are two of our several classes. I think there are 11 that you'll have to join. If you'll do that same process for each one of them, in the end, you should have 11 of these little squares showing up in your student's Google Classroom, and that will ensure that they have signed up for the 11 Google Classrooms. I created one for each main topic that we would be covering.